food.
Yeah, the food is really great.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm also learning how to cook Turkish food. I follow the, YouTube.
Dr. Sheila, are you from Malaysia?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tabii bu da büyük bir imkan. Yani video konferans yöntemiyle.
And of course, the video conference is a very big opportunity and chance. But of course, being face to face and physically is more efficient,
Of course.
both in terms of attendance, and we'll have the opportunity to establish more better dialogues. Maybe we can organize it in 2020. I'm not sure, but for 2023, I'm pretty much sure that we'll be able to be physically. And with this talk, I want to greeting all of you and wish you a good morning. I truly hope it's morning in there. And I hope that we'll have a very fruitful and effective day, and we'll have great results.
İnşallah.
Inshallah, let's start.
Yes. Kolay gelsin.
Okay, in 10 seconds we start to broadcast. Assalamu alaikum. We are on the second day of our Congress, and regarding to the first day of our Congress, when we look retrospectively, we think that we have very nice results. As you know, yesterday we are talking on the phone until midnight, and everybody said that they were very pleased with the talks, with the speeches, and I also want to extend my greetings and thanks to you. And we are just here to moderate your participation. May Allah bless you, and thank you very much for your efforts and for your impressive talks and contributions that you added to our Congress today. In terms of the presentation of our statements, we have Professor Dr. Ayhan Orhan. He is coming from Kocaeli University. He is an academician, and I want to give the session to Professor Dr. Ayhan in order to moderate this very next session. Thank you. Meanwhile, I'm so sorry for this very small delay because I've changed my laptop and I'm trying to reach the new program. I think that we'll have another participant. So we are going to start with Professor Dr. Gulan. First of all, let me say that ASAM is a very important and significant project. And I truly believe that we may gather valuable knowledge and information from this Congress. And